If you want to add screensaver on your Chromebook, then this video is for you. Hey, in this video, I'll show you a quick method to set up screensaver. So that's been said, let's get started. To set up screensaver, simply right click on desktop area. A pop-up menu will appear. Here simply select set wallpaper and style option. Here click on screensaver option. By default, this feature will be disabled on your system. Now to enable, simply turn on this toggle. And here you will find different screensaver settings. If you want to change the animation of screensaver, then you can select the animation from the option provided below. Also, you can change the image source. By default, it is set to art gallery. When you click on this option, here you will find different art gallery and images option. However, if you want to set personal image as a screensaver, then you can simply go with Google Photos option. On screensaver, you will also get your weather information. If you want to change your weather temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius, then you can select this option. After changing all the settings, if you want to take a preview of your screensaver, then simply click on this preview button. And this is how your screensaver will look on your system. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.